Welcome back to Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Ducati Multistrada V4. This motorcycle has been making waves in the adventure biking community, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about it. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Multistrada V4 showcases a striking design that balances ruggedness with elegance. Featuring sharp lines and a muscular stance, it stands out in the adventure segment. The new color options enhance its aggressive look while maintaining Ducati's iconic style, performance, and powertrain. At the heart of the Multistrada V4 is a powerful 158cc V4 engine that produces an impressive 170 horsepower. This engine is designed for versatility, delivering smooth power across all RPM ranges. Whether you're tackling city streets or winding mountain roads, the performance is exhilarating. Technology and features. Ducati has equipped the 2025 model with cutting-edge technology. The 6.5-inch TFT display is customizable, providing riders with all essential information at a glance. With advanced riding modes, adaptive cruise control, and cornering ABS, the Multistrada V4 ensures a safe and engaging riding experience. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is key for adventure riders, and Ducati has delivered. The adjustable seat height and ergonomically designed handlebars cater to a variety of rider sizes. Long-distance rides are a breeze with enhanced wind protection and a refined suspension system that absorbs bumps with ease. Off-road capability. For those who crave off-road adventures, the Multistrada V4 doesn't disappoint. Its updated suspension system and knobby tire options offer excellent traction and stability on rough terrain. With an off-road riding mode, the bike adjusts its settings to optimize performance on dirt and gravel. In conclusion, the 2025 Ducati Multistrada V4 is poised to redefine the adventure motorcycle category. With its blend of power, technology, and comfort, it's built for both on-road and off-road excursions. If you're in the market for a versatile and stylish adventure bike, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? See you in the next video.